Welcome to Steve's World UK. Today I'm in Dallas in Texas. So today the Magnolia Hotel and Room Tour is part of my world. Pegasus, the flying red horse, shines as a vibrant icon from atop Magnolia Dallas downtown, formerly the Magnolia Petroleum Company building, one of the city's most revered structures. Built in 1922, this 400-foot high, 29-story structure was the first high-rise in the United States to have air conditioning and the city's first skyscraper. So I've just entered the hotel lobby, which has a sort of Art Deco theme, and then just to the right you have a selection of supplies, both food and drink, and toiletries available at reception, which is just to the left of me, tucked away in the corner. Now that I've checked in, I'm in the understated lobby area with a small number of seating areas off to the side. Then in the corner there is a representation of the red Pegasus, symbolizing the history of the building, and a replication of the illuminated symbol that sits on the top of the building, forming part of the Dallas skyline. Off to the corner is a TV and stairway leading to the first floor atrium. Beyond the lobby area are 6 decadent lifts, 4 of which give access to each of the 29 floors. As an additional bonus, this lift lobby area has a working US original mail letterbox, as well as an original artwork depicting the hotel. Now originally in the first floor atrium you would have found a bar and a restaurant area. After COVID this is yet to come back, so we're heading back to the lifts up to the 14th floor to check out the room. So as you enter the room, you can see that this is a room of considerable size with a king-size bed in the main corner. Situated between the 2 bedside tables, there's a sofa, a coffee table, and the flat screen TV on a TV stand with some additional artwork. Now both bedside tables consist of lamps with additional power points and a clock radio alarm to one side, again with power points and USB connections, and a drawer underneath for additional bedside storage. A desk utilizing the alcove in the corner features a telephone, and again with a lamp and additional power points. A second telephone can also be located at the second bedside table. complete with a Gideon's Bible. Below the modern flat TV screen, which features a multiple of channels all you'll ever need, is additional storage space. Now just off of the bedroom is a closet area that doubles up as a wardrobe, complete with iron and board, coat hangers and a luggage rack. And then over on the opposite side you have a coffee machine, complimentary waters, a selection of coffee sachets and a fridge. Heading into the bathroom now, a very large bathroom featuring a decent sized bath and shower combined with shampoo, conditioner and body wash. A decent quantity of towels with toilet, hand basin, hairdryer and additional storage. Now before I leave, although the hotel doesn't have its own restaurant, inside the main building and connected to the Magnolia Hotel is the coffee shop, which, if you'd imagined ever going to Central Perk in New York, then this is the concept you're going to come across, which I highly recommend. Even the locals use it on their way to work. So that's going to do it for today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on great future content from Steve's World UK. Until next time, be safe, be good, be kind and be careful. It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Steve's World UK.